Computer science spans the range from theory to practice to cutting-edge inventions. The need for computing professionals and executives has substantially grown over years. Almost every major challenge facing our world is turning to computing for a solution, from conquering disease to eliminating hunger, from improving education to protecting the environment. Exciting possibilities exist for students with degrees in computer science and software engineering. Students work with distinguished faculty in applying their math and science skills, gaining valuable hands-on experience, and working on research projects funded by federal, state, and industrial organizations. By learning advanced problem-solving methods, Texas Tech computer science students are prepared to solve the world's challenges in this dynamic and rapidly expanding field.
What I focus on most for computer science students is that, number one, they have to be able to communicate. Number two, they have to be able to think critically, because I think this is crucial for them to be able to learn how to learn, because computer science is a fast-changing area. Whatever they learn now will not exist in 10 years' time, and so they have to be able to understand how to solve new problems.
The department has an excellent graduate faculty with research specialties in a variety of areas, including big data, data visualization, cybersecurity, high performance and cloud computing, artificial intelligence, information retrieval, networking, parallel and distributed computing, programming languages, and software engineering. All programs are fully accredited, BS by BET, Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, and PhD, MSCS, MSSE by THEP, Texas Higher Ed Coordinating Board.
I think that we should invest on big data research, because big data has become, the way of life, and it's play an important role to the world right now. Big data also allows you to be able to discover things that you may not ever think about, because of its ability to aggregate data from various sources. I can see in water research for prediction of water sources. In infrastructure such as transportation, we collect data and how to solve the problem in transportation. In medicine, we can also apply the technique to bioinformatics to find the cure of the disease, such as cancer or osteoporosis imperfecta at the molecular level. In energy, such as in petroleum engineering, we can also think about when we try to identify how to drill the oil, we need a lot of information, and all of this can be analyzed through the technique that we do. It can help people to be innovative, and because of this, our students need to have this knowledge in this area. And I think it would be a shame if we don't invest in this research.
I visualize scientific data, I visualize social data like the social network, or scientific data like the underground water, the air qualities. Most of the time I work with the data visualization. It means that they have the large amount of data. How we draw pictures to make sense of the data, to highlight the pattern that you would not normally see by using some basic tool. Right now, there's a lot of challenges in order to deal with those data about the processing part and create or mine the data in an intelligent way before representing the picture to the users.
A number of applications we support in the chemistry domain, in the biology, in the climate science, in the weather forecasting. We talk about high-performance computing systems. We talk about cloud systems. These are very complex systems. We want to look into how we can use advanced solutions to optimize, to automate the management.
Our recent graduates are now working in prominent high-tech companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Apple, Oracle, Adobe, Facebook, and YouTube. They are increasingly recruited by top corporations in Texas such as GM's, LaHarris, and USAA. 95.8% of responses from our 2019 Bachelor of Computer Science graduates are employed. The department is building on this expertise to become a home to researchers with exceptional strengths in experimental systems and applied research to blaze new trails in software engineering, networks of internet devices, and health informatics.